I'm having to work to keep up with you through here, boy. Oh, darn, son, oh boy. I took the low road this time. The sticks will get you, boy. It's been a good little holiday break, Cody. Still got some more left. You going back after the first of the year? Good. Are they opening? Okay. All for New Year's. There's that spot, man. Just close her down. Well, that was the thing at the car dealerships. It's like we worked every day except Christmas Day, and they would let us off half a day on Christmas Eve, and sometimes earlier if nothing came in. And you just stand around and there wasn't a single car come in the shop. Like, this is dumb. You need a reset, dude. Yeah, it's like a factory reset, you know. Yeah, that right back there is where you got stuck, that first mud hole. Yeah. You, the whole time you were thinking, I can't go too far, we got to get him back. But it was awesome, wasn't it? I just can't believe you was able to not let on like we had to get back. You never did say nothing. You got a stick. You never did say nothing like, man, I got to do something tonight or something. Yeah, that let us get back home, didn't it? What time was we back in here? About this time of day, probably? 3 or 4 or something. All right, so this says there's some waterfalls right down here. Right down that road that got blocked off. I fell off in that thing. I fell off in that hole. I was looking down there. There's a creek right there. Dude, I almost bit it right there now. That tree wasn't right there. Couldn't. That one right there in front of you. Was it? Or did we go over that hill right back there? No. Well, we had to, didn't we? Well, I thought we went around there and went up over a hump and went through 2 mud holes. Right down through there, no? I know it, but oh, it wasn't. That ain't the way we went then, is it? See, if we went over that big hump to the left right up there is a mine somewhere. Like literally, like, let me zoom in. Yeah, there's a little creek right there. The mine's on up. Look where it is.
Yeah.
See B Cove Falls? Go ahead, I'll film you. Yeah, this is fun going back. This would be, if you could get this cleared out through from 133, this would be the ultimate cut through. All right, so right up that cut in them woods is where that mine's supposed to be. I wonder, it'd probably be hard to find it. It gets slick. Yeah, it is. Was it coming down here is what it done it. It's a pretty slick little road, ain't it? If you ain't careful. You don't know what lies await for you under them leaves is the trouble. Ooh. As I was saying. Did it? Lasted pretty good though. It probably wasn't 100% small. Like overnight, a good charge. Oh, that really jarred it. It's still though. It's not like traumatic. It catches itself. You know it. Oh man, I rode a wheelie on that one. This is fun, dude. Oh, I guess you could. Like maybe that's what they mean, primitive camping, primitive road. I think they just mean it's a road that they haven't put no gravel on. It's just a dirt road. Oh yeah, man. That's great. GoPro doesn't catch it too good in the dark. They probably see too, some heathens been trying to get up through here. Let's push the dirt up, you know it. Oh, I did the same thing, dude. That's a rock or something in there. It's about done for. loosen your joints up, won't it? Them sticks is what'll get you, boy. I know, it's like the best road, dude. Oh, I went sideways on that one. It's really funner than the DRs almost, isn't it? Because they're so like squirrely, I guess. Oh man, I think I jerked my neck slap out of socket. I'm having to work to keep up with you through here, boy. Oh, darn, son, oh boy. I took the low road this time. Okay. Oh, he just glide across it, man. I've been super close to wiping out. Woo! That was great, dude. That was awesome. Dude, I was screaming up through there, and a few times it was real bad. That was awesome. Yeah, I was having to work, keep up with the T-Dub up through there, boy. Alright, I'm gonna shut the camera down. We had a good ride today, didn't we?